Have you ever thought that ordinary chicken eggs could be transformed into smooth, delicious, and visually appealing ice cream popsicles? With just a few simple ingredients and a little trick, you can create a unique dish that will surprise everyone who sees it. Watch the whole video to discover how to make this delicious and nutritious egg ice cream stick. First, I have 2 cartons of fresh whole milk. Please throw these 2 straws away. Use a knife to make a small cut on the lid. Which country are you watching this video from? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, gently poke a small hole in the lid of the container, then slowly pour out all the milk inside, keeping the container in its original shape. Put them aside. I prepared 2 cups and a chicken-shaped egg yolk separator. Crack the eggs inside and separate the yolks and whites into 2 separate cups. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I separated a total of 5 eggs. Let's move on to the next step. With the 2 empty milk cartons I had earlier, I will gently peel off the lids. Use scissors to cut along both sides of the milk carton. Next, cut a line along the side of the milk carton. Next, place the 2 empty milk cartons inside the 2 cups to keep them from tipping over. For the egg whites, I add a few drops of food coloring. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to each side, then stir everything well. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Prepare 4 potatoes and put them all in a pot. Then add a teaspoon of salt. Pour water into the pot so that the water completely covers the potatoes, making sure no potato is submerged as they will not cook evenly. Finally, cover the pot. Turn on the stove and boil the potatoes over high heat until they are boiling. Then reduce the heat to medium. The cooking time will depend on the size of the potatoes. Small potatoes usually take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook, while larger potatoes may take 25 to 30 minutes. To check if the potatoes are cooked, pierce them with a fork or chopstick. If the fork comes out easily, is not hard, and pulls out smoothly, the potatoes are fully cooked. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the pot, place them in a colander to drain, and let them cool slightly so they are easier to handle. Now, take the colored egg whites and put them inside the milk carton. I put the egg yolks into the remaining container. Next, I inserted the wooden ice cream stick into the cut I made earlier in each box. I placed both boxes on the steamer rack and covered them tightly with the lid. Then I turned on the stove. I steamed them for about 15 minutes. Once the potatoes have cooled, gently scoop out the insides with a spoon to create a hollow space in the center of each potato. Be careful not to hollow out too deeply or too thinly, as the skin needs to be thick enough to hold its shape when filled. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Repeat this process for all 4 potatoes. Note when choosing potatoes, choose fresh potatoes that are not sprouting. Avoid buying potatoes with green sprouts or green skin. These can be harmful to your health. Choose potatoes that feel firm and have smooth skin. Put the sausage, cut into small pieces, inside. Next, add the minced garlic. Next, add a little butter to each potato to increase the richness and make the dish more flavorful when baked. Add some chopped parsley for aroma and appealing color. The most important step is to crack each egg into the center of each potato so that the yolk fits neatly into the hollow. Spread grated cheese over each potato to create a golden, fragrant, and appealing crust after baking. Sprinkle some pepper on top. Next, gently place the potatoes into the tray of the air fryer. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 23 minutes. If you want the eggs to be more thoroughly cooked and the cheese to be darker in color, you can increase the time by 3 to 5 minutes. Once the 2 ice cream sticks in the steamer are cooked, gently remove them and place them on a cutting board. Then use a razor blade to cut open the box. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I gently peeled back each side of the milk carton. Look, what appeared inside no longer looked like an egg. Just ordinary chicken eggs are transformed into soft, smooth, delicious, and visually appealing ice cream popsicles. I picked up the ice cream stick and enjoyed it. Wow, that's really delicious and interesting. The potato stuffed with egg is now cooked. Take it out and enjoy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.